I'm back. Hiccups. It is what it is today. I don't even know why I'm getting upset. Oh, my hair's got like a good bounce to it. And little princess is back to see what mommy's doing. Hey, princess. Freaking hiccups. Having one of those days today, that's for sure. Yeah, I figure turn on the recorder, do a moment of something as I try to work through what is my to-do list today. I'm trying to get some stuff done in the home office here. Slow progress. With hiccups. Oh my goodness. It's getting really annoying. I'm definitely thirsty because I'm trying to have a cup of tea. I've made so many different ones today, trying to use up my old stuff, and it's like not one of them is doing me. So, I'll be back at it again soon for another cup of tea. Of course, Facebook is being Facebook. Oh, hiccups. So this is my tea list. Page 1, and I got a bunch of edits I gotta do because I've knocked these off this weekend. Or this week, really. But I have a total of, actually, I don't know, probably around at least 140 teas on this list. Teas, hot chocolates, etc. And a lot of it is to do with that name of the company that did not like me. Hiccups. So I've been slowly working through some of this stuff just to complete the list because I want to bring this down to a reasonable number, and I want to try new stuff that's not to do with the S company. So that's my goal, is to work down the list, try new stuffs, find better, really. There's a good hiccup. And I've been doing every day a tea a day of a type. And so here we are. So I'm just updating my list because so this month being 31 days, it makes it interesting. So I'm just updating the list. There we go. That way, every day I grab a packet, take it to work, and then make a tea. If I have it, great. If not, that's okay. It brings down the list. So there we go. So just a quick update. Yeah. Ooh. Hiccups galore. I can still feel them. So I just figured, hey, when they came up again, I'm like, oh, I'll just record. I'm sitting here. I'm not doing anything productive. Just scrolling through Facebook and stuff. And checking out what people are commenting. Because I run a couple small businesses here. Stampin' Up, Osborne Books. And I also have a tea group that I still muck around with because, hey, why not, eh? Just because the one particular company is not happy with me doesn't mean don't have to. Anyway. Alright, well, I think the hiccups are over. Give it another half a minute, we'll see. Because I don't feel it anymore. So that's some progress. I think I'm gonna go dump this. This is winter mint, and it's not doing me. So, I'm gonna go dump it and grab something new. So, Ivy's under me, Buddy's just in the next room. And yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see if I get more again today. Alright.